See, this is Mama's first video. What do you want to tell Mama?
Mama, welcome Mama.
Welcome Mama. Why? Because my first video.
Mm.
Happy birthday. You want to go to toilet?
No.
Very good.
So what's up guys? I had a bad dream, I'm dying, but then I realized I'm not going to be here for 400-500 years and I have to do something before I die. It's something exciting, some adventure, something which is going to make me happy. So this is going to be my first video, my first comeback video. I want to start a YouTube channel. I don't even know what the YouTube channel is going to be like. So that's my friend Karthik. Just took a dump.
என்ன டம்ப் பண்ணிருக்க
So
So enough Karthik. That's fine. I have an important task. Phone, very important.
One eternity later.
So well guys, after multiple tours to the magical seat, and I looked at my face in the mirror and it reminded me of my mother. So she was like, go chop your hair. I went, I did this, now she does not like it. So that's when I decided, okay, let me shave off my head. I was looking for some motivation on my phone and it said, a woman who changes her hairstyle changes her life. Now can that happen to a man? It definitely can't. Why? Because we do that every 2 months and nothing happens. That is when I decided, okay, let me shave my head. So that's when my friend Mr. Daryl also wanted to join me in shaving his head, but now he's backed off. Daryl, why is that you don't want to shave your head, pa?
Monday I have school, so when I go to school, my friends will tease me. So I don't want
So guys, this is what we call as societal pressure. Right now, Daryl, who decided to shave his head, does not want to. Why? Is because the society is like that. I don't know if a man's life changes when he shaves off his head, but definitely his name changes. People call him Dey Motte, Abe Taklu, and the most depressing one, Bondlin and Magane, right? Very colloquial in nature. So yeah, when a man decides to shave off his head, he's going to be an independent man who does not care a damn about the society and what the society thinks. So we have Anna also. Anna's Anna is Daryl. Anna and her Anna. So say hi guys. This is my first video. Say something good about me. Say something nice.
What nonsense you are talking?
Ma.
He's a very kind person. He's a very good person.
So well guys, Daryl and I are on the way to the saloon, right? Okay, we'll have to wear our helmet, very important. Not because it's safe, because it's 500 rupees fine. Please, bad example, don't be like me. Daryl, can you help me put this part?
2,000 years later.
Thank you. Yay! So yes, on the way to the saloon. So guys, I just stopped, realized I'm not wearing mask. Mask is very important. Why? Corona may come, Corona may go. But dust and pollution will always remain. So always wear your mask. Hi! Hi! So we ventured out. We thought we'll do something more exciting. We want to go to the saloon on a cycle. And Bangalore weather is so unpredictable. I just want to show you guys where we are and what's happening. So that's our cycle that we're going to take. And as you can see, it's raining. It's pouring cats and dogs out here. So that's Bangalore, ladies and gentlemen. Very unpredictable. As of now, it's raining very heavily. And let's see what happens. So well guys, it's been close to 30 minutes. We're at my friend's Kevin's place. It's raining out there. And who do I have at Kevin's place? Kevin is not there, but I have Uncle and Auntie. Uncle, this is going to be my very first YouTube vlog. You want to say something?
Yes, definitely. Wish you all the best. May the Almighty Lord bless you in your first attempt, first endeavor to produce this vlog. God be with you and everything will be alright.
Thank you so much, Uncle. So yes, that's little Azel.
All the best.
Finally, the rain has stopped. Auntie, thank you so much. Daryl, shall we make a move? Yes. Bye, Auntie. So as you guys can see, the sun is out. Exactly what Bangalore is all about. The previous second it could rain. The next second, it's all sunny. That's how it is here. And as we go a little forward, you can see how sunny it's getting. Bangalore, you never fail to amaze me. Well guys, I'm going to ride a cycle after 15 years. So let's get started.
ரெக்க கட்டி பறக்குதடி அண்ணாமல சைக்கிள் ஆசைப்பட்டு ஏறி கோடி ஐயாவோட பைக்.
So okay guys, I sat on the cycle, we went doubles. The cycle got punctured. Right, so we are going to the puncture shop. We don't know if it is punctured or there's less air in the cycle. So you can see what we are doing. Right, so that's some circus. So that's some next level stunts. Please do not try these. So well guys, we realized the cycle punctured. But then we are still in the primitive old days. We'll have to use this to get air to the cycle tires. That's Anand sir. Thank you sir. Sir, first vlog YouTube la. Okay. Thumbs up kudunga namakku. Abbe. Super. Air for the cycle is free. Sir has contributed to our adventure. Thank you sir. So I'm at the saloon waiting for my barber. He's my hairstylist. And for people wondering why am I talking so much about the cycle, I will reveal in some time. But yeah, my barber is not here. Couple of them came. They asked me if I'm newly employed here. I told them no. I'm also just like them. Customer come here for no haircut. Finally, my hairstylist Narendra is already here. Sir, idu nandu modalne video, vlog video ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So, ಏನು ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನನಗೆ? So he says congratulations. Thank you sir. Okay, shall we go inside? Nodi. Ella kettide naditide. So everything is not actually good, but I want to tell people power went off, cycle got punctured, it started raining. But yet when you are confident, nothing can change your fate. Bunny sir, let's get started. So this is how the setup is. Dark, right? In darkness there shall be light. And here you can see there are two phones. I'm actually getting bald with the phone flashlights. I'm not even sure if you can see our man out here. So Daryl, over to you buddy. So yes, let's see how this goes. Okay sir, let's get started. Yes. I feel so good. No, if someone wants to know how it feels when you get your head shaved, it feels therapeutic. My current state is called as HMT. Now what is HMT? HMT means half motathala. There is a saying, never mess with your doctors, lawyers and barbers, if you know what I mean. So guys, the shaving is done. Some brushing is happening. This is to make sure my head is polished. And there you can see there's some talcum powder which goes. This is like garnishing the bald head. And some finishing moves in the end. My barber is inspecting to see if there are any more hairs, damages, or if there's a leakage of brain. So Mr. Nagendra looks like a geography teacher. He's going around the globe. Excuse. Thank you, sir. Daryl, pass me the hat, buddy. That's how you get confidence, with the cap and without the cap, right? You got to pull it off. Sir, ingi there. Frame ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ Daryl, how is it? Best look. So yes, you guys are hearing that. Day 2 and I'm very happy because I'm out of the bed, but I look camera ready. I thought I look like The Rock, but looks like I am Kattappa from Bahubali. So well guys, been riding the cycle for quite some time now, right? I actually started panting and then realized the cycle's frame is pretty small to my size, right? So where am I? So hope you guys can see this. It's called as booth ground. I don't know if there's any booth or some but what's important is I've taken my cycle, I've come out. Now, why so much of emphasis on cycle? Why is it so important for me? And why do I consider this as an adventure? So for someone who's never touched a cycle for the last 15 years, and for someone who's gone through knee surgeries, for someone who has 5 slip discs, a dislocated shoulder, now this is a big deal. Adventure or doing something crazy doesn't mean that you'll have to climb Mount Everest or you'll have to do skydiving or scuba diving. No, not really. Small things. You got to beat yourself. You got to challenge yourself, and I guess exactly what I'm doing now. Now this could be a small step to someone, but for someone like me, it's a huge leap, right? So don't let anything stop. Don't let people question you, right? Do what you feel like, and that's what is important. And let's see how it goes. So guys, this is my first video. Say something. Wish me.
Best of luck. He gives me new strength. He guides me in the right path as he has promised. Even if I go to the deepest darkness place,